Hey guys, I'm Avail back again with another video. This time it is about the gestures that you can use on your MacBook Air. I've been using this MacBook Air M1 for more than a year now, and I've found that if you know all the gestures, then it becomes really easier and I would say really fast to work on this. So in this video, let's try all the gestures, and I believe that particularly if you're new to MacBook Air, then this video is going to be really useful. So before we start, if you're new to my channel, then do hit the subscribe button to watch more videos, and if you've already subscribed, a big thank you to all of you guys. So let's get started. So first of all, how to turn on the gestures? Simply go to System Preferences, click here, and there you have this option Trackpad, this one. Okay, click there and you have these options here: point and click, scroll and zoom, more gestures. Simply turn on all these boxes, okay, the options. Here you can see that I have turned on all the gestures here. Even you can learn it from here as well. You have the illustrations here as well, so one by one you can learn it from here. Okay, now let me show you how you can use the gestures one by one. So the first one is how to do right clicks. It's very simple. You have to use your two fingers like this. Suppose I'm here, okay, I have done this. I have selected the stock. Now I have to do right click to get more options, right? For that you just have to use the two fingers like that and tap here. Okay, and here you get the right click options here. Okay, so it's very simple. What you have to do, simply like this, okay, with two fingers. If you just use one finger, then it will just select the dock, or if you double click, then it will open it. But if you want to have the right click option, then simply click with two fingers like this. Done. Next is how you can use the lookup function by using a gesture. What you have to do, simply use a single finger like this. Suppose I'm here, okay, now you have to do forced click, okay, like this. Yeah, and you will get this preview here of that web page. So you can see that you can preview that thing. It works really well. Let me show you this. Suppose if I go to any particular article, suppose here, now if I want to look up anything, okay, simply suppose I want to know the the meaning of this particular word. What I have to do, force click on this thing, okay, like this. Yeah, and you will get this meaning from the dictionary, and it is actually seamless. It works really fine. Suppose here, if I force click here, it will give me the lookup. Yeah, so it is actually really practically I would say useful according to me. Next, how to scroll using gesture. Simply use your two fingers like this and scroll up or down like this. It's very simple. Yeah, you can see that it works really fine, no problem. Next, how to use gestures to zoom in or zoom out. It's very simple. If you want to use the smart one, then simply tap twice using two fingers like this, okay, and it's done. Otherwise, what you can do, you can use this pinch gesture as well, like this. Yeah, like this. Let me show this. Yeah, and you can actually use these two fingers. That works better, yeah, than this one. It is also good, but yes, sometimes it misses, but this one works really well. Okay, so you have two options: double tap, this is the smart one, or you can use the pinch one. Okay, it's very simple. Next, how to rotate any document or any photo, any picture. It's very simple. Use again two fingers like this and do this. Okay, you can see that it works really fine, no problem. Yeah, and you can go like this as well. So isn't it very simple? Next, how to switch between pages. You have to use again two fingers and swipe like this. Let me show you this. Okay, like this, and you can go back again like this. Okay, and it works really fine, no problem. Next, how to switch between full windows. Okay, suppose at the moment I have three windows opened. Now if I want to switch between these windows, then what I have to do, now I have to use three fingers and swipe as we did with two fingers. Okay, like this. You can see that. Okay, three. Yeah, and it is also really seamless. Next, how to check notifications and widgets. Simply use two fingers and from the right edge of this touchpad, swipe like this. Okay, if you want to hide it, do this. Simple, isn't it? The next gesture will show you the preview of all the screens, all the windows which are not in full screen mode. Let me show you this. Again, 3 fingers, simply swipe up like this. Now you can see that all these 3 windows are not in full screen mode. If they are in full screen mode, you won't be getting the preview like this. Now you can switch between them like this. Okay, let me show you this. Here I can go to anyone like this. Okay, but if all the windows are in full screen mode, then if you do the same gesture, 3 fingers, swipe up, you can see that you get this view. And here again, you can switch between the apps like this. Okay, yeah, go back like this. Yeah, swipe up and swipe down. Yeah, it's very simple. Next, how to go to Launchpad, or we can call it apps menu from any window. You have to use your thumb and 3 fingers to pinch like this. Yeah, that's it, like this. Yeah, again like this, thumb and 3 fingers, that's it. So the last gesture is on how you can move to desktop, okay, from any window. Now suppose I'm on this one and I want to go to the desktop. What you have to do, simply use the same gesture, but instead of pinching you have to spread it. Okay, thumb and 3 fingers like this. Yeah, and you're on the desktop. But one limitation is there. Suppose, let me show this. Suppose I'm on this one and this window is in full screen mode, then it won't work. Okay, you can see that it doesn't work. Okay, but if it is in minimized mode, okay, then it works. Okay, not minimized, but in small screen, not full screen. Yeah, so that is the limitation here. So guys, that's it in this video. I believe that it has helped you to know the gestures that you can use on your MacBook Air, and if it has, then let me know in the comments, and do let me know that were you actually already aware of all these gestures. Yeah, and if I have missed out anything, let me know in the comments. Okay, so till the next video guys, cheers, and don't forget to subscribe, share and like if you haven't liking my videos. Okay, so till the next video guys, cheers.